Recently, I had the opportunity to attend an online workshop on blog article writing, which proved to be an insightful experience. One of the key skills I gained was the ability to structure content effectively. The workshop emphasized the importance of clear headings, engaging introductions, and smooth transitions between ideas. I also learned how to tailor my writing to different audiences, ensuring that my tone, style, and vocabulary match the reader's expectations. Additionally, the session highlighted techniques for creating compelling openings and conclusions, which are essential for capturing attention and leaving a lasting impression. A significant new skill I acquired was understanding SEO strategies. We explored how to use keywords effectively, optimize headings, and structure content to improve search engine visibility. This not only taught me to write for readers but also to make my content discoverable online. Combining SEO techniques with engaging writing feels like a valuable skill for both academic and professional purposes. Looking ahead, I plan to apply these skills in writing reports, articles, and online content. SEO knowledge will help my work reach a wider audience, while structured writing and editing will enhance clarity and engagement. Overall, this workshop offered valuable self-assessment and equipped me with practical tools for future growth in writing and content creation.